I mean, sweet shit happened today, and if we wouldn't have been filming it.
Like what? What sweet shit happened today for a film? Yeah, you know why? Because you're fucking doing drugs, dude. Yeah. And I don't care.
But we're all doing drugs.
I know.
We're living the first period of humanity where one can take the best of each culture. And it's time for it, because it's urgent. The real you is something we have pain to find sometimes. We go through alcohol, we go through cannabis, we go through drugs, we go through women, through gambling. It's a search of sacred. You Westerners, you can read in the Bible all the miracles of creation, but us, when we take initiation by Iboga, we feel it in our souls. It's not written on a paper, it's written on our organic memory.
And then they said they were going to do Iboga. And instead, we're out in the forest taking acid every night, making the worst movie you've ever seen.